This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ruth Hanson. Tenant in place with annual lease. This unit is not only on the 9th fairway, but offers 2 bedrooms, plus a den/study, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen and granite countertops in both the kitchen and the bathrooms. The verandas at Lakewood National are maintenance-free and include a 1-car detached garage. Besides 2 top-ranked golf courses, amenities include 24-hour guard gate, pickleball, bocce ball and world-class har-tru tennis courts. Cool off with a swim in the resort-style pool after a good workout in the state-of-the-art fitness center including a sauna, steam showers, spa and locker rooms. Enjoy drinks by the pool at the Tiki bar. Don't wait for new construction, schedule your showing now. For more information, review the details below or contact Ruth Hanson at 941-907-2000.